Hi everyone, I'm Mahima and today's video is a Diwali makeup tutorial video, and I'm also going to talk about some of the very common makeup mistakes that we all often tend to make and how to correct them. This is a very easy to do soft glam makeup look, so keep on watching. I'm going to start with prepping my skin first. I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Citrus Got Real Moisturizer. Prepping your skin is the most important part before you begin your makeup. This is So Pure's facial serum. I have a dry skin type, so I use a facial serum, and it's a must if your skin type is also dry. This is how you activate it, by rubbing it between your palms and dabbing it onto your skin. This is a face roller. You can skip this step if you're running late or if you don't have this roller. After facial serum, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics face primer. It's very important to use a face primer. It helps you set your foundation and your makeup lasts longer. This is Makeup Forever's eyebrow kit. I absolutely love this, and I love the way my eyebrows look when I use this. It gives me a very natural effect. You have to follow your eyebrows shape, and if you will notice, I'm not using any product in the front section so that it will give me a very natural look. If you have dark circles or pigmentation on your face, then you have to use an orange corrector. If you will not use an orange corrector, then your face will start looking gray, and you have to apply it on the areas where you have pigmentation. I'm applying it on my under eye area, on the inner corner of the eye, on the upper lid as well. You have to use it on the areas where you have pigmentation. I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Face Forward Corrector Stick. I have also uploaded a detailed review video of this product. Do check it out. The link is in the description. And now I'm blending it with the help of a beauty blender. This is Sugar Cosmetics Concealer. I absolutely love this concealer because it's a full coverage concealer. I'm not using it in the middle area of the eye. I'm going to blend it out. That's the reason. And also, the skin under the eye is usually very thin, so I avoid using a lot of product. Make sure the pressure that you use is very light. After blending out the concealer, I'm using a concealer which is one shade lighter than my original skin tone. I'm using it on the upper eyelid so that my eyeshadow pops. This is Sugar Cosmetics Rage for Coverage Foundation, and I'm using shade number 42. If your skin is very dry, then I would recommend you using a serum along with this foundation. With the help of fingertips, I'm applying this on my face right now. And make sure that you also apply some foundation on your neck. You can use a brush as well, but I prefer using a beauty blender. I'm applying the foundation in dabbing motion. This is Sugar Cosmetics contour stick. I'm directly applying from the stick on my face, and I have taken a lot of product, so make sure that you take your own time while blending it out, and make sure that there are no harsh lines on the face. Also, while you're blending the contour, the motion should be upwards and not downwards. For contouring your nose, you can take any smaller brush, but I'm using the same brush, and also I'm not taking any extra product, using the same brush on my forehead as well. After contouring, it's time to powder the face. This was mistake number 2. I'm using Sugar Cosmetics powder. I should have powdered my eyelids before, after I was done applying the concealer. For a more finished look, you can apply your powder like this so that your contour looks more prominent. Now I'm going to apply a powder contour and blush on my face. I'm using my Glam's palette. I love this palette. It's so handy, and the product is also very pigmented. After I'm done with contouring, now it's time to apply some blush on the face. I'm using my Glam's blush palette. This is Glow's eyeshadow palette. You can choose any eyeshadow of your choice or any color which goes with your outfit. I absolutely love this color, and this is a completely wearable look, and I am just dabbing it very lightly on my eyelids. I love this color. The finish is lovely. And just look at it. Wow. I love the way it's looking on my eyes. Take any brown eyeshadow that you have and with the help of a fluffy brush, apply it on the crease line. This is going to give a lot of definition to the eyes. I'm using the same eyeshadow on the lower eyelids as well to give some definition. This is Sugar Cosmetics Kajal. I love this kajal. It glides on so easily. This is how you have to apply it. You have to use it as an eyeliner. And I'm smudging this kajal so that the eyeliner does not look very harsh on my eyes. And this is Makeup Forever's highlighter. I'm also using it in the inner corner as well. This is Sugar Cosmetics mascara. This is my current fave mascara. I completely love it. I love the way my eyelashes look after I'm done applying it, and I don't need false eyelashes. Giving a finishing touch to my eyebrows again. This is Sugar Cosmetics lipstick. I have already uploaded a review video of this. You can check it out. This is Kiko Milano's lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. You can skip this step, but with a soft glam look, gloss always looks nice. This is Makeup Forever's highlighter. I'm applying it on the bridge of my nose as well, and here as well. This is the powder brush. If you have applied excess contour or highlighter, you can use that powder brush or apply some powder on your face. This is the final look. Let me know in the comment section below how did you like today's video, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.